Welcome back YouTube, this is your boy Kino, and today I will be making the classic daiquiri, and I will be doing a cherry flavored classic daiquiri. First grab your shaker, add 2 ounce gold rum, however you can use white rum instead. Alright, go ahead and add 1 ounce of simple syrup, then add half ounce of lime juice, followed by half ounce of cherry liqueur. Alright guys, fill your shaker with ice and get ready to shake. Alright, shake for 5 to 10 seconds. Also remember to like this video and comment. Here we have our chill martini glass ready to pour in our concoction. Alright, also guys, consider subscribing to my channel. Alright, garnish with a lemon wedge guys, and this is a really delicious, not too sweet cocktail that you will love. And here we have it guys, our delicious cherry flavored classic daiquiri. Thank you so much for watching.